The ocean is full of scary predators that will attack you if you get too close, like this guy. But we can't help but be amazed by these magnificent creatures. Sharks are probably the most feared animals in the ocean, but they're also one of the most fascinating. So today we're going to talk about 5 facts about hammerhead sharks. First off, there are 8 different species of hammerhead sharks. These sharks are found all over the world in both shallow coastal waters and deep offshore waters. They're usually found in temperate to tropical waters, between 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south latitude. The main difference between the various species is their size and the shape of their head. The narrow head has a distinct pointed nose, while the broad head is more rounded. The largest species of hammerhead shark is the great hammerhead, which can reach lengths of up to 20 feet and weigh up to 1,000 pounds. That's bigger than a full-grown polar bear. On the other hand, the smallest species is the scalloped hammerhead, which only reaches a maximum length of 8 feet and weighs around 300 pounds. Even the smallest of the bunch is still a big fish. Just imagine swimming in the ocean and coming face to face with one of these. You'd probably have a heart attack. Speaking of their heads, it isn't just their size that differs. Between the 8 species, all of the hammerhead sharks have a very distinctive head shape. It's called a cephalofoil. A key feature of this head shape is that it's highly flattened from side to side, which gives them an almost rectangular appearance. This is unlike any other shark, and it serves an important purpose. The flattened head allows the shark to swim with incredible maneuverability, making them highly efficient hunters. They're able to make quick turns and sudden bursts of speed to catch their prey. Additionally, the flattened head also increases the surface area of the shark's skin, which allows them to absorb more oxygen from the water. This is especially important for hammerhead sharks, because they tend to inhabit deeper waters where oxygen levels are lower. And it isn't just their head shape that helps them hunt. Their eyes are positioned on top of their head, which allows them to see potential prey before it sees them. This gives them a huge advantage when hunting, allowing them to ambush their prey from above. Also, some species of hammerhead sharks have a special organ in the center of their head called the ampulla of Lorenzini. This organ is used to detect the weak electric fields produced by other fish. This allows the shark to detect prey such as stingrays and other bottom-dwelling fish that produce a weak electric field as they move. The hammerhead then uses its specialized head shape to quickly maneuver and capture its prey. But it's not just their hunting abilities that make hammerheads unique. Their reproductive strategy is also quite fascinating. Unlike most other sharks which give birth to live young, all species of hammerhead sharks lay eggs. In fact, they're the only known shark species that do this. The eggs are encased in a tough, leathery membrane that allows them to float in the water column. This is thought to help protect the eggs from predators, while also allowing them to be dispersed over a large area. Its wide dispersal could help increase the chances of fertilization and ultimately lead to more offspring. However, despite their unique egg-laying ability, hammerhead sharks are still vulnerable to extinction. Overfishing and habitat destruction have led to a decline in populations. And as a result, many species are now listed as endangered or near threatened. It's crucial that we take steps to protect these magnificent creatures so that future generations can continue to be amazed by them. Did you know that every single species of hammerhead shark is currently threatened? The biggest threat to hammerhead sharks is us humans. We tend to overfish them for their meat, and also because they often get caught in fishing nets as a byproduct. Another reason is that we tend to destroy their habitat, which makes it harder for them to find food and reproduce. But it's not too late to help. If we make changes to the way we fish and protect their habitats, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures survive for many years to come. That's all for today. I'll see you next time.